Section 11.4 Gravity. Number 1. The force of what exerted by the earth 由個 earth 去出現嘅 exert 去出嚟嘅，而嗰個力係啦，嗰個力係 pulls this object towards 啲乜嘢嘅咧？如果由地球去提供出嚟嗰個應該就會係轉翻接筆先，就會係叫做 force of gravity 啦。OK，force of gravity exert by the earth 係由地球所用整唔係整嘅，但係去提供出嚟嘅時候，咁就會拉個 object 向邊個方向啊？梗係向地球嘅核心啦 ，Earth Centre 啦。OK， 要拗啊。The force of gravity acting on the object increases with 乜嘢呢？嗰個 force 引力嘅 force 會隨住佢個 mass 增加而 increase 嘅。OK， 成正比嘅。3. When an object falls under gravity and there's no other forces acting on it， 冇其他力啦，淨係 fall under gravity 啫。咁嗰個情況，嗰個 motion 嗰個運動咧，我哋叫佢做 free fall， 冇其他力去俾落去啦。OK， 淨係得 gravity 咁去引力去吸。Next， the mass of an object is 乜嘢 in the object 咧 ？The mass 其實嗰個一個物件嘅 mass 咧，其實就係有幾多嘅物質喺裏邊啦 ，amount of matter 啦。OK， 嗱呢個咧書未必講得好清楚㗎，透過做題目會清楚啲啊，應該或者會幫你記得好啲啦。咁橙色嘅，因為下邊藍色我係第二樣嘢嚟㗎，咁搞清楚 amount of matter in the object。咁呢個 mass 就係 it is 乜嘢 everywhere 啦，唔會變嘅，唔會變 everywhere， 即係講緊你喺地球啊、喺月球啊、喺火星啊都唔會變嘅，就係我哋用個 fixed 字嚟形容啦，係固定嘅 mass， 一個物件嘅 mass 係佢擁有嘅物質嘅量啦，所以係邊度都唔會改變。好啦，相反地啦，藍色啦，咁乜嘢 of an object 係個 force of gravity acting on the object 咧，就係嗰個引力所吸嘅咧，嗰個咧就應該係叫做 weight。而嗰個 weight 咧係會隨住唔同嘅地方，即係要睇下嗰個引力有幾大而改變嘅咯噃。It may change 會或許啦，會改變嘅。咁 weight 所以 weight 係會變，隨住地方會變。mass 就唔會變啦 ，mass 去到邊度都係咁多啦。OK， 咁例子喺月球啦，如果我部手提電話喺月球咧，個 mass 係喺月球同喺地球係一樣嘅，但係個 weight 咧，因為個引力唔同嘅關係咧，喺地球咧同月球比咧，喺地球個 weight 就會比較大啦。OK， 因為地球大過月球，個 weight 個引力就比較大，所以個 weight 都比較大啦。好 ，gravitational force 真係地心吸力 gravitational force 呢個力咧係 non-contact force 嚟嘅，咁梗係啦，冇接觸噶嘛。OK，there's no contact force of gravity between you and this book。你同本書之間即係呢本作業啦，有冇引力㗎？有嘅，不過sorry 係啦，有引力嘅，所以 no force 係唔啱嘅。所以 force 係有引力㗎，不過細到我哋量度唔到或者係感覺唔到啫。好，3 free fall is a uniform motion。咁 uniform motion 我哋之前都講過好多次啦 ，constant speed one direction 嘅。咁 free fall 係咪咁啊 ？free fall 並唔係咁喎，錯喺邊啊？應該係 non-uniform。咁點解係 non-uniform 咧？嗱 ，one direction 係嘅，但係 constant speed 就 no 啦，因為會越嚟越快嘅。 跌得直至去到某一個極限啦，即係唔同嘅物質、唔同嘅形狀都會有唔同嘅極限啦。但係基本上係一開始嘅時候係會越嚟越快嘅喺初期，所以就唔係 constant speed 啦。好，4 uniform unit of weight 係 kilogram， 紅色俾你睇都大錯特錯啦，應該係 Newton，所以 F 啦。The force of gravity acting on an object depends on the motion， 其實就冇關係嘅，唔 depends 嘅。OK， 佢個運動，佢個運動本身係向邊個方向啊？做喐緊有幾快呢？都同本身 gravity 個 force 係冇關係嘅。本身 act 個 force act on 佢係幾多，就在乎即係嗰個 mass 嘅啫。OK， 就唔關佢本身個方向事。點樣？譬如地心吸力，你有個打橫飛緊嘅波都好啦，喺每一刻都好，嗰個 gravity of force of earth 啦嚇，地心吸力嘅話呢，例子都係喺每一點都係咁樣吸緊佢向地球嘅核心嘅，所以同佢喐緊嘅方向或者喐緊嘅係咪喐緊係冇關，真係。OK。The larger the mass of the object, the less the weight。越大嘅 mass 個 weight，less 就越細嘅 weight 啊，咁就錯啦，應該係 more。所以 T 話5個 F 咯噃。Okay, which of the following statement about gravity is correct? Force of gravity between two objects increases with mass。個 mass 增加，個 gravity 就會增加啦。咁呢個啱唔啱呢？呢個呢就係 T 咗先嘅，啱嘅，同個 mass 有關啊嘛。頭先啱先講完。好啦 ，There's a force of gravity between your teacher and you。老師同你即係兩個物件之間都有 gravity 嘅，係啱嘅。gravity 唔係地心吸力啊 ，gravity 係引力啫。OK。我哋應間會睇睇地心吸力嘅。OK，force of gravity 或者 force of gravity of Earth 就係地心吸力啦，即係要講到明係地球嘅。好，咁呢度啦 ，There is no force of gravity acting on the object that is starting to fall。當一個物件開始跌嘅時候，咁就冇force of gravity 咁梗係唔啱啦。無論喐緊邊個方向，無論個 motion 係點，都係有 force 噶嘛。所以係 F 啦，有 force 嘅。咁所以答案就會係 C。OK。OK，which of the statement about mass and weight is correct 啦？嗱，要釐清啲定義啦。mass weight 佢哋有同一個單位就錯啦。mass 嘅單位係 gram 啦，或者 kilogram 啦。咁 weight 嘅單位頭先講完啦，Newton。好，所以唔同嘅，所以 F 啦。Weight of an object may vary from place to place， 又係呢個問題啦。But its mass remains unchanged， 啱唔啱啊？呢個係啱嘅，啱㗎。Weight will change, mass will not change。OK， 嗱，呢個好重要啊！打粒星星上去啦，咁啊，打粒星星好重要啊。好，第3 ，the greater the volume of the object, the greater its weight。Sorry， 呢個係冇關係嘅。volume 可以大，但係個 mass 可以細，或者調轉個 volume 好細，但係個 mass 可以好大喎。所以個關係呢應該係個 weight 同個 mass 啦。咁所以應該就唔揀佢啦。紅筆唔揀佢啦，咁應該淨係揀2，所以答案係 boy 啦。OK，structure question， 有個人呢就喺禮堂嗰個看台，唔係看台，即係嗰個講台位置啦。咁啊掉個波落去，舞台位置就掉個係咪波啊 ？Yes，throw 個波落嚟啦。咁跟住就顯示咗唔同嘅波，唔同嘅 moment 嘅時候，個波喺邊個位置。咁就 draw the arrow to show the forces of gravity at each moment。嗱，每一刻都好，無論個波喺咩嘅位置、高度、咩嘅方向、咩嘅速度，其實個 force of gravity 都係一樣嘅。 咁頭先講咗啦，咁呢度更加有條題目清楚俾我哋有機會示範到啦。鉛筆全部都係 force of gravity。Free fall object 啊嘛，冇其他 force 啊嘛，全部都係向下啦。相同嘅 size，OK，four four arrows with the same size，OK，same direction as well。OK，as the ball fall down, its speed increases gradually。佢隨住個波越跌嘅時候咧，個速度就上升啦。嗱，咁呢個都係我頭先講嘅嘢嚟嚇，一個嘅物理自然嘅定律。OK，describe how the force of gravity changes as the ball is falling。咁佢跌落去，即係嗰個波由呢度跌落去嘅時候，究竟個 force of gravity 係點呢？咁頭先講完，其實係無論咩 moment 個 force 都係一樣噶嘛，所以我哋可以話啦 ，the force of gravity remains unchanged。隨住佢掉落嚟，基本上都唔會改變嘅，個 force 係一樣咁，個 size 係一樣咁大 ，direction 都係一樣嘅。咁呢度寫少少筆記就係 same size 加 same direction。OK，the mass of the ball is 0.2 kg 啊，佢個 mass。Find its approximate weight， 咁我哋就可以用一條式啦 ，W equals mg，weight equals mass times gravity。咁咧就應該係 weight equals mass times gravity 係10，所以等於2 unit Newton。OK， 咁呢度要注意啦。呢個係 mass， 呢個係 gravity。OK。